Hi. Often in today's world, the average person doesn't realize and appreciate the effort and difficulties architects face when designing a building as simple as a home. The initial task architects face when designing a home is the client his or herself. After finding a particular client, understanding his or her needs and wants are the key factors to whether to design a good design that fulfills the client's need. The qualities and attributes unique are to each client are often define and mold what the final product as a design may be. These factors can range from budgets regarding personal finances, family status or size, age, particular aesthetic or appearance, whether through form or materiality, and so on. Factors other than clients' personal interests are often out of the architect's control, such as climate, location, and contextual integrations. So, understanding and responding to these initial factors are one of the most important steps and difficult steps in the process of designing a home. So, develop this intimate understanding of the client creates a strong foundation when beginning the initial drawings, whether digital or analog. So, collecting in-depth site analysis of the client's sites plays a really important role in the initial development of the site, of the design. Given a particular site, the architect must understand the most advantageous location of the building placement in response to the site analysis. Factors regarding site analysis are data such as solar studies, wind studies, soil studies, surrounding demographic studies, as well as the pedestrian, vehicle traffic information, etc. So after collecting and analyzing these data, the architect must decide and present his or her decision to the client, coming to an agreement on the a particular location. So the building location is an integral step in the design process, as if um, as if often presents that the large portion of the site is immersed in wetland. Then the building must be moved to a higher or more suitable ground, such as a hillside, which in turn could result in a vast change of the appearance and the form and the structure of the home. So, once the architect and the client come to an agreement of the building location, design process is fully underway. The architect's primary focus is to begin developing conceptual drawings and models of what the final product may look like in the simplest form, just like I show you in my previous speech. After developing a conceptual mass in response to the requested program tailored to the client's need and wants, the architects can move on to more detailed floor plans and drawings. Depending on the size of the firm or or the team involved into the design. The drawing can be developed by a team of designers and draftmen who facilitate the process. So the process can last anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, or probably even a month if that's a really huge design, such as museums or like really big buildings. We so it requires a lot of efforts for the whole team to put into. So once the schematic design takes its shape and the both of the client and the architects are in an agreement, the detailed development regarding systems and structure integration begins. Often, this stage of the design is where the beginnings of multidisciplinary integration occurs. Engineering and constructions teams are hired and sought by the architects in response to the specific task and skill sets required for materiality and structure of the building. Understanding the requirements to achieve a desired form or quality of the design are key when subcontracting a team of workers um, to accomplish the building product. So after consulting and approving a set of structure integration with systems, the architects can either approve or further improve the proposal to complete the design, reaching an acceptable level of harmony. So this is basically how an architect design a house, and it's in such a long process. Thank you very much.